I was checking out the lower half of the property, just walking around, and I saw these 3 red tomatoes. They're small, but they stood out in the green and pulled me down here and showed me that there are a few things that I should harvest, including some of these sweet peppers. This guy, I can take him. Oh. Cool. Looks like some of these other tomatoes might need a day or so. Oh, look at this guy. Got eaten up, but you can see all the seeds inside. Alright, use these in whatever I make for dinner tonight. Cool.